Good evening, MJ. How are you? Hi. You're on your day 1 of your challenge. How do you feel right now?
I'm excited.
All right. So we got 42 days to get into some good healthy habits and lose 20 pounds. So are you ready to find out where you're starting? All right, MJ, step on. 136.6. All right. Well, we'll see in 42 days.
Okay.
MJ, good morning. How are you? Good. You just finished your 6-week challenge, and even a couple days early. All right. Well, MJ, you look fantastic. You started this challenge out at what weight? 136.6. So we're looking under 120s today. How does that sound?
Nervous.
Nervous? Well, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, MJ, it's time. Today you weigh in at 115.4 for 21.2 pounds lost. Congratulations.